Good morning. I think it's still morning. Thanks for having me here. I'm Nikki Lewis. I'm the Executive Director of DC Jobs with Justice, a coalition of labor unions, community organizations, faith institutions, and student activist groups that work to protect and advance the rights of DC's working class. I want to say that I have been a restaurant worker for 17 years, the majority of which has been in the District of Columbia, and so this is a very near and dear issue to my heart that I've experienced personally and seen a whole lot of my friends and coworkers go through. We already know what wage theft is. I'm not going to review what that is, but I just want to reiterate that while it plagues many industries here in DC, you've seen the loss in faith by workers to go through DOES and the Office of Wage and Hour to handle it. So I'm here today because I also want to support those agencies in making sure that they get the funds that they need as quickly as possible to actually take an active stance in reducing the problem and helping workers. Disproportionately, wage theft impacts women, people of color, and immigrants in our low-wage industries here, robbing them of their economic security. Wage theft costs more time, money, and future work opportunities because of the too difficult process it takes to recover their wages. And of course, I said I'm from the restaurant industry, so just for example there, 33% of workers in a recent study said that they had been denied their overtime pay, and 35% more reported just working off the clock without being paid. And that's the only people that were willing to come up and speak about it. I also interviewed about 40 different employers and what they thought about this. And employers, whether they're large or small business, they don't want to rob people. It is not their intention. But when there's an industry or industries that lack the appropriate regulations, then it encourages the I don't want to say evil side, but the less good side in our nature to think that it's okay to do things, and when everyone else is doing it, then they feel less accountable. So when we talk to employers, they said it's not because they want to pay below the minimum wage or not pay overtime. It's that the only way that they would actually change their behavior is if they were held accountable, if everyone else was doing it, if there was a law that they knew that the next guy next door was also abiding by. So I'm really pleased here today that you're taking leadership on this. We're here to support you. We want to make sure that this bill gets through and educate our communities. So thank you.